Hi, good day. I'm Harold Nolas, the 8 years old butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today I'll show you the 5 standard cuts of all-dressed chicken. But before we proceed to cutting, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honing steel in 45-degree angles. Now let's proceed to cutting. These are the 5 standard cuts of all-dressed chicken. First is the backbone. Second is the drumstick. Third is the thigh. Fourth is the chicken wings. And the last is the breast. That's all. Thank you.